Oh man, it's raining today.
Yeah. Ginger Brave agree. Me, Junior, a Poping, and Ginger Brave want to play.
Then what should I do, Jay?
Wait, I will about the fairy tale story.
What is it?
It's called The Story of Duolingo Tales, Zari Pinzel. I will play as Rapunzel, my husband Eddie is going to be Prince. And Miss Evelyn lied as a witch. Anyways, here it go. Once upon a time, there was a beautiful girl called Zari. She is a beautiful girl and kind. Then Zari played at the garden and she saw a strange girl and she said,
Hey Zari, come with me at the place.
Then Zari Duolingo stuck at the high tower and Miss Evelyn Light comes and called,
Zari, let the hair down.
Then Prince Eddie comes into the tower and he heard the song and he says,
Wow, I like this song. This is so relaxing.
The Prince Eddie hides at the forest and which says,
Zari, let the hair down.
Oh, age well, I will try to climb up this tower.
Then Prince Eddie comes to the tower and called up.
Zari, let the hair down.
Then Zari realized they're the handsome man. She fell in love to the beloved Prince Eddie, and they tried to escape. And Prince Eddie ran away and cut the Zari's long hair. Then Miss Evelyn Light pushed Eddie through the window. And Prince Eddie could not see his eyes, making him blind. Zari sings beautifully and Prince Eddie arrived at he said,
Zari, I am so happy to see you.
And Zari began to cry and tears into Prince Eddie's blind eyes. And his eyes cleared to her tears, and he said,
Zari, it's you. I can see you again.
Then Prince Eddie and Zari are fall in love and get married and lived happily ever after. The end.
Wow, I love this story. Oh look, it stopped raining. Let's go guys.
Wait for me.